Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today in this video I will guide you through all processes of Umrah. So stay tuned. First step is Ihram. Before start your Umrah, you need to make sure you are in state of Ihram. And if you do so, you are a Muhram. So, what is a Muhram? A Muhram is somebody has made things forbidden upon himself. So this requires you to wear what is called Ihram garments and say your intention before crossing the Miqat boundary. I made a video about Miqat, you can look at it. We assume you came from Medina, so you need to start your Ihram from Dhul Hulayfa, also known as Abiyar Ali. If you're taking a car or bus, you need to stop at Dhul Hulayfa. Take a shower, clip your nails, remove anything from your body like a watch or ring, etc. After you clean your body, it's time to wear your ihram. This is the ihram. 2 white sheets. One is called izar. It covers the lower body. The other is called rida, and it covers the upper body. And the sandal that show the heel and the ankle. If you're taking the speed terrain or the plane, you need to wear your ihram before crossing the Miqat. So you need to do all of this in the hotel, airport departure, or in the train station. Because you don't need to be rushed when they announce to say the near, which is short time between the train station and Miqat Dhul Hulayfa, only about 7 minutes. After you wear your ihram and remove any articles of clothing such as socks, headwear, and underwear, it is time to pray 2 rakaa. It's a sunnah to pray 2 rakaa. The first rakaa is Qiyya Kafirun. The second rakaa is with Ikhlas. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. I finished my 2 rakaa. I forgot to say the 2 rakaa is intention of Ihram. It's the time to say the niyyah. Second step is the niyyah. The niyyah should be made at the Miqat or close to it. It is recommended to be verbally. And you need to say, Labbaik Allahumma Umrah. Oh Allah, here I am to perform Umrah. The third step is the talbiyah. After you're making your niyyah, start recite the talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika lak labbaik. Inna hamda wa ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. And send salawat to Prophet Muhammad and do any dua you want. Continue your talbiyah for the rest of your journey until you see the Kaaba. I want to say one more thing. Let's talk about Haram of Mecca. Remember, when you recite the talbiyah, you are a Muhram. You need to make sure you are aware of the prohibition of Ihram. The Haram of Mecca is the sacred area surround Masjid al-Haram in all directions. It is forbidden in this area to cut or damage any type of vegetation, kill wild animals, carry weapons, fight or any violate the sacred of this area. When you see the Kaaba, stop talbiyah and enter with your right foot. Peace be upon the Messenger Muhammad. O Allah, open the doors of your mercy. Do you see the black stone? This is where we're going to start. If it's too crowded, you look above and you will see the green light and you'll start from there. So we're going to start our tawaf from the black stone. You need to face the black stone and raise your right hand and say Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. So you need to have your wudu. You need to show your right sada. And for the first 3 rounds for men, need to be a little bit faster. We're going to start tawaf. So you don't need no special dua. You can do Quran, you can do any dua. You can do tasbih. Until you get to the Yemeni corner, you need to do a special dua. So you can touch Yemeni corner. If you can't, it's okay. So Prophet, he used to do this dua between Yemeni corner and Blackstone corner. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. So I finished my first round. You need to do the same 7 times. So we're going to go behind the Maqam Ibrahim and do 2 rakaa. Find a spot behind Maqam Ibrahim. If you can't, it's okay. You can pray anywhere. So the first rakaa, it's a Fatiha and Qiyam Kafiyun. The second is Fatiha with Ikhlas. Assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum. I finished my 2 rakaa. I'm going to go get my Zamzam water. So this is my Zamzam water. I will drink some. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. So as Prophet he used to do, he would drink some of his Zamzam water and he poured some in his head. So I finished my Zamzam water. I'm going to do Sa'i between Safa mountain and Marwa mountain. I started beside Safa. We're going to do Sa'i from Safa to Marwa 7 times. So we need to start from Safa. We need to face the Kaaba and say a verse from the Quran. إن الصفا والمروة من شعائر الله فمن هز البيت أو اعتمر فلا جناح عليه أن يطوف بهما ومن تطوع خيرا فإن الله شاكر عليم. And you say after لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير لا إله إلا الله وحده أنجز وعده ونصر عبده وهزم الأحزاب وحده. Repeat this dua 3 times and you can, after that you can say any dua you want. We do walk toward Marwa. So when I see the green light, go to run faster. Now I am at Marwa. Face the Kaaba and say the same dua we said in Safa, and then you can do any dua you want. So we're going to do this 7 times. So we're going to start from Safa and at Marwa. I ended my stay. My last step is to do, I go say my hair. Last step is to say my hair and I'm done my Umrah.